In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate an element in Canva. If you want to add a bit of movement and polish to your design, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it quickly and confidently. Start by opening your project in Canva so you're looking at the design you want to work on. Make sure the canvas is visible and everything has finished loading. From here, click the specific element you want to animate. This could be a piece of text, a photo, a shape, or an icon. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box appear around it. If you're clicking and nothing changes, try clicking once more directly on the element until it's clearly highlighted. Once your element is selected, look up to the toolbar that appears across the top of the editor. You should see an option labeled Animate. This button only shows up when something is selected, so if you don't see it, click the element again to bring that toolbar back. Go ahead and click Animate. A panel will open on the left side of your screen, showing a variety of animation styles you can apply. These are presented as tiles you can browse through, and many will show a quick preview as you hover over them. This makes it easy to compare the feel of each option before you commit, whether you're going for something subtle and professional or bold and attention-grabbing. Click the animation you like to apply it to your selected element. You'll immediately see the effect take place on your canvas, so you can judge how it looks in context with the rest of your design. If it's not quite right, simply click another option in the panel to switch instantly. There's no need to undo anything manually. Each animation includes its own unique settings that you can edit. After you choose an animation, look for controls like direction, speed, or intensity. These may appear as drop-downs or sliders depending on the effect. Adjusting direction changes where the movement comes from, while speed and intensity refine how fast or strong the motion feels. For text, some animations also let you choose whether the effect applies to letters or words, which can make your headline feel more dynamic without overwhelming the viewer. Take a moment to fine-tune these settings so the animation complements your design rather than distracts from it. And that's it. Once you've selected an animation and tailored its settings, your element is animated and ready to go. Your changes save automatically, so you can move on to other elements or continue designing with confidence.